Welcome to my YouTube channel Equation Essence. Hi everyone, my name is Ifra and today I will start exercise 1.1 of number system. Before starting exercise 1.1, I want to tell you some more important terms which are useful for understanding number system and which will use to solve exercise 1.1. So let's start. First of all, we should know that what are natural numbers. So basically natural numbers are simply numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite. What are whole numbers? Whole numbers are all the natural numbers and 0. That is, it starts from 0 and it goes up to infinite. What are integers? Integers are the negative and positive numbers and 0. They are of two types. They are of two types, positive and negative. Positive means 1, 2, 3 and so on. Negative means -3, -2, -1 and so on and 0. What are the rational numbers? Rational numbers are those numbers which are in the form of p upon q, that is in a fraction, where p and q are integers and q does not equals to 0. This is the most important part, that the denominator cannot be equals to 0. 0 के बराबर नहीं होना चाहिए. So the basic definition is, which can be expressed as p upon q, where p and q are integers and q does not equals to 0. What are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are those numbers which are not rational numbers or which cannot be expressed as p upon q, which are not rational numbers. It means उनकी कोई एक स्पेसिफिक वैल्यू नहीं आएगी. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग डेसिमल्स होंगे. नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग एंड नॉन रिपीटिंग वी विल डिस्कस लेटर इन दिस चैप्टर. वो कौन से नंबर्स होते हैं, उनका मतलब क्या होता है, वी विल डिस्कस लेटर ऑन. बट नाउ आप सिर्फ ये ध्यान रखो दैट those numbers which are not rational numbers are irrational numbers and can be written as pi, √2, √3 or so on या फिर etc. And rational numbers can be written as 4 upon 3, 7 upon 1 etc. जो एक हमारे नॉर्मल फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में हो, जिनको अगर हम डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन निकालें then they will be written as a terminating decimal, or you can say that non-terminating but repeating. जो repeat हो रहे हो, non-terminate हो रहे हो लेकिन repeat हो रहे हो, जिनकी approximately value आ जाए. जिनकी अप्रोक्सीमेटली वैल्यू नहीं आ पाती है उन्हें हम irrational नंबर कहते हैं. So last but not the least, very important part of this chapter is real numbers. So collection of all the numbers are known as real numbers. Collection of all numbers are real numbers and can be expressed in number line. जो नंबर लाइन में एक्सप्रेस हो सके, that contains natural, whole numbers, integers, rational and irrational numbers are known as real numbers. So now let's start exercise 1.1. Question number first is 0 a rational number? Can you express it in the form of p upon q, where p and q are integers and q does not equals to 0? Your answer is yes. We can express 0 as rational number. Why? Because we can write it as 0 upon 4, 0 upon 5 and 0 upon 7, where you can write it as p upon q, where q does not equals to 0. So yes, 0 is a rational number and we can express it in the form of p upon q. Question number 2 is find 6 rational number between 3 and 4. As you see that you cannot find easily the rational number between 3 and 4. So what we can do that we can make a number which is similar as 3 and 4. How? Write 3 here and 4 here. Multiply it with 7, divide it with 7. Multiply it with 7 and divide it with 7. Which is similar to 3 and this is similar to 4. So how many rational number will come between 7, 3? This is equivalent to 21 upon 7. This is equivalent to 28 upon 7. Now, can you easily find 6 rational number between 21 upon 7 and 28 upon 7? Yes, you can find. And very easily. How? Write 21 upon 7 here. 22 upon 7. 23 upon 7. 24 upon 7. 25 upon 7. 26 upon 7. 27 upon 7 and 28 upon 7. 21 upon 7 you can write it as 3 and 28 upon 7 you can write it as 4. How many rational number will come between 3 and 4? 22 upon 7, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 6 rational number are 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7, 27 upon 7. These are the 6 rational numbers which comes between 3 and 4. Now moving on to question number 3. Question number 3 is find 5 rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. As you see that we cannot find rational number between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. But if we can make 3 upon 5 as a bigger number and 4 upon 5 as a bigger number, we can easily find the rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. So let's start question number 3. Write 3 upon 5 here and 4 upon 5 here. Now multiply it with 7 and divide it with 7. Multiply it with 7 and divide it with 7. Simply we have to make the denominator same. अगर हम denominator को same बना देंगे तो it will be easy for us to find rational number. So what is this is equals to 21 upon 35 and this is equals to 28 upon 35. Now can you find rational numbers between 21 upon 35 and 28 upon 35? Likewise in question number 2, the rational numbers between 21 upon 35 and 28 upon 35 are 22 upon 35, 23 upon 35, 24 upon 35, 25 upon 35, 26 upon 35. So therefore, five rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5 are 21 upon 35, 22 upon 35, 23 upon 35, 24 upon 35, 25 upon 35, 26 upon 35 are 22 upon 35, 23 upon 35, 24 upon 35, 25 upon 35 and 26 upon 35. Now moving on to question number 4. Question number 4 says, state whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answer. First part is every natural number is a whole number. Say, what are the natural numbers? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, and so on. And what are whole numbers? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So every natural number is a whole number? Yes, every natural number is a whole number because whole number consists of every natural number plus 0. होल नंबर में सारे नेचुरल नंबर्स हैं एंड जीरो भी है. So this is true. Every integer is a whole number. What are integers? Integers are all negative, zero, and positive, and whole numbers are 0 and so on. So if the question was every whole number is an integer, then we can say yes. But you cannot say every integer is a whole number because all the integers consist of negative number also, but whole numbers do not consist of negative numbers. So this statement is false. Every rational number is a whole number. All the rational numbers are in the form of p upon q, where q does not equals to 0. And what are the whole numbers? Whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, and so on. But rational numbers are in the form of p upon q, where q is not equals to 0. So this statement is false because rational number consists of 2 upon 3, but 2 upon 3 is not a whole number. So the statement is false. And with this question, I'm going to end exercise 1.1 and I will start exercise 1.2 in my next video. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.